Welcome back to our bird dogs on our Form Friday challenge. So I want to give you guys a second challenge that involves the foam roller with bird dogs to see if you can do it. Now, by now I'm hoping you have mastered the don't shift away from the roller as you lift. So none of that side shifting. So let's look at front to back shifting this time. So I want you to set up the roller and I want you to get it nice and firm against your head where you are touching the roller, and I want you to keep touching the whole time. Yes, I did just give you this challenge. And I want you to think about lengthening your neck, nice tall posture, and I want you to lift. I want you to make sure that you feel the foam roller the entire time. You don't have to lift all the way up. We're working on feeling that shift, so I want you to keep going back and forth from side to side and making sure that you don't shift over to the side, like if you had a roller there. Make sure you don't shift back away from the roller, and make sure you don't shift overly forward. See if you can feel the difference in what's showing up in your abdominal wall, and compare that difference to when you do the bird dogs like this, okay? So I find this takes a lot less abdominal strength than keeping your head touching that foam roller. All right, so give that a shot to see if you can do bird dogs without shifting backwards.